Do you have an error preventing the Downlevel Shell32 DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before we dive into the Downlevel Shell32 troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Downlevel Shell32, a Downlevel Shell32 API Set Shim. It provides unmanaged backward compatibility for legacy shell routines in modern environments. It facilitates the orchestration of old folder and icon manifests within the 64-bit shell data link. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft Redistributable. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Downlevel Shell32 DLL. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Downlevel Shell32 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like Downlevel Shell32 DLL. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. Review options for a smoother Windows environment by consulting the diagnostic kit linked below for Downlevel Shell32 library references. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Downlevel Shell32 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.